Yeah, this is Jason Honstadt, and I'm going to do a review Green Rhino style in my car, ride-along style, just to let you know how much I enjoyed his course. Wasn't sure if, I could get everything just from the YouTube channel or the course would actually add a lot, and just wanted to say 100% the course really filled in a lot of the details that I needed to know about starting a carpet cleaning business. And so if it's something you want to do, it's like what Tommy said, you got to take it. It's going to answer all your questions and help you know exactly everything you need to do, the equipment you need to buy. Really learned a lot about the chemicals and such that, I got some of it from the YouTube, but the course definitely is the final touch on everything. So looking forward to getting some materials and getting started. Probably going to start up just doing some of my own carpets and some families, and then jumping into it from there on. So anyway, definitely grab the course, and I don't think you'll regret it at all. Honestly, it's probably worth 4 or 5 times what he's charging for it, to be honest with you, if you actually take the course and start doing what you're doing. And you probably pay for it, and you can pay for it in one job is basically what I estimate. So definitely get it, take the course, and don't be worried about whether it's worth it or not, because once you're done, you get a couple jobs that'll take care of itself on your own. So anyway, hope you guys take the course, and thanks again, Tommy, for everything you've provided.